Are you struggling to add spaces to your app name, even though your bundle display name has them? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you get those spaces to show up in the simulator. I totally get how frustrating it can be when something as simple as a space doesn't show up where you want it. It can feel like you're doing everything right, but the results just aren't there. Let's dive into this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "How can I add spaces to my app name?" They mentioned that their bundle display name contains spaces, but those spaces aren't appearing in the simulator. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution. So, what could be causing this issue? Often, it comes down to how the app name is being processed by the simulator. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I've got a handy tip at the end that will help ensure your app names display exactly as you want them. To add spaces to the app name in your project, the user should first check the bundle display name in the project settings. This is where the app name is defined. Next, the user should ensure that the bundle display name includes the desired spaces. If it does, but the spaces are still not showing up, the user may need to check the info.plist file. If the bundle display name is correct, the user should then clean the build folder. This can help resolve any caching issues that might prevent the changes from appearing. Finally, the user should rebuild the project and run it on the simulator. This will apply the changes and allow the app name to display correctly with the added spaces. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps were just simple calculators? Look how far we've come. Now we can customize app names with spaces, but sometimes it can still be tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to open your project settings and navigate to the info section. Here, you can add a property called Bundle Display Name under Custom iOS Target Properties. This will allow you to enter the display name that appears on the iPhone or iPad screen under the app icon. Don't forget to delete the previously installed app and reinstall it to see the changes. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution is to go to the build settings. Under product name, you can set your desired app name with spaces, and it should work fine. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. One user suggests a solution for adding spaces to your app name starting from iOS 11. They recommend following specific steps that worked well for them. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution is to use a specific string in your project to achieve the desired app name with proper spacing. The recommended string is demo app. This has been tested in various environments and works well when set in the xconfig file. It's important to note that you should not modify the spaces in the provided string. Only change the words, and it should work correctly. Here's that handy tip I promised. Always double-check your info.plist and clean your build folder regularly. This can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, your app name should now display with spaces in the simulator. Remember, attention to detail is key in app development. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks.